Hello guys, I'm greeting you on our channel, my just viewers and my dear subscribers. Today I will help you get the maximum bonus up to $515, and I will show you how to correctly activate the promo code. And I will tell you today about all variants of registration and how to get the maximum bonus up. And first of all, for this we need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the description, but right now I will leave in the pinned comment, and in the description you can find our actual promo code is ZANOS24. Our next step, second one, after downloading the application, we are going to the apps, and if you have an account, then log out of it. It's important because without this thing you can't get the maximum bonus up. And next step, tap registration. There in menu registration you will see 4 variants: in one click, by phone, full, and via social media. And let's start from in one click. In menu current country, you need to choose your current country. Mine is United States, current value to US dollar, and select your bonus on sports or on casino. If you want get the bonus of sport, choose sports. If you play in casino, choose casino. Accept. And next, enter the current promo code is ZANOS24, not 25, 24. Accept all the rules and confirm that I'm over 18 years old. And at end of the video, I will tell you about of green check mark. Next, by phone. In code, you need to enter your current code of your country. Next, current your phone number and current value to US dollar. Into the current promo code is ZANOS24. Select your bonus, accept, and accept all the rules. Next step, full registration. Your personal information, your surname, maybe Bobby, first name, John, current country is your current country, your region, and city or town, your date of the birth. I enter the random date of the birth. Next, current value to US dollar. In account settings, your email address, maybe absolute random, your code of your current country, your current phone number, and enter the password. And you can copy that on field down, paste. Enter the current promo code is ZANOS24. Select your bonus and receive all news and receive outcomes. Accept all the rules and confirm that I'm over 18 years old. And our last step is via social media. Social networks, choose it, current country, and current value to US dollar. Select your bonus, accept, and enter the current promo code. Sorry guys, ZANOS24. And confirm that I'm over 18 years old. And after all your moves, you need to check on the green check mark And after that, wait loading for the captcha, and after captcha we will see our actual login and passwords, and I recommended you to screenshot these for your pleasure or change it right now for didn't lose your big bonus. Next step, go to account deposits menu, and in this menu, in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, if you have any question, ask them in the comments, I will definitely answer them. Thank you for watching, thank you for your support. Goodbye and good luck to all, have fun.